Everyday Cali driver here, and Linux driver here. Today, I just want to make it clear that you got options if you delete your Windows directory. You don't just have to use Kali or Ubuntu or Fedora or Linux Mint. You got options. Now, how many options do you got? Well, dun 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 dun. Every single one of these icons is an operating system, like Kali, but they all got different use cases. Look at them. And there's more than that. This is the B's. These are the C's. CentOS, Cloud Linux. And it keeps going like that. We got to the C's. And D to G. We'll click next. Alt. Ban Small Linux. DAFL. DaxOS. Debian. Deppin. Dmod, desktop BSD, to double Linux. What's double Linux? I've never heard of double Linux. To pick this help screen. Double Linux configuration. I don't think anybody should download double Linux. Okay, guys? Just don't even think you heard that name from me, okay? I don't want to get a bunch of mad mums at me. Dr. Web Live Disk. There's everything, like Dyson. Was that for like the Dyson vacuum? Like Easy OS to OS Elements. That's the E's. This is the F. Fat Dog 64. Then we got FreeBSD, the Free Spiral, Fuji, GNU Sense, Ghost BSD, Gen 2, Gen Xbox. Let's go to the H to L's. And these are all different operating systems running on a base Linux system, well, some sort of Linux system. Hack Track, Hacky U, like Handy Linux. Handy Linux? What the heck? Hantana. Harden BSD. Harvey OS. Has Coding OS. Ooh, has Coding OS. See, that could be a pure. That could have something cool, man. You might be able to make it totally customizable with Python, you know? Like, if you're good at Python, this might be the OS for you. I don't even know what it's about. Like, I don't see nothing. Thread, it was last updated February 28th, 2023, so not long ago. So let's click download. I love trying out new systems, so that's all I have to say. Love it, I love it. Look, it's a basic system here. That's coding. Turkey, desktop, KDE Plasma. I don't like KDE. Set distribution, environmental localization. As a project developer said, it's a new operating system based on Linux GNU that contains all package program required for the user. Has coding OS 1.0 based on Ubuntu. Has coding OS 2.0 based on Ubuntu. Has coding. This is nothing about Python. Bliss OS. 150 views. Lindows OS. Lindows. Really? Lindows. Look at that. Are you serious? Lindows, last updated the 3rd of May 2022. So Debian x86. Click and run. CNR is similar to Semantics. To download tools with the app. KE3X borderline cloning the Apple iLife suite. The primitive App Store was intended to be easy and fully functional out of the box. But 2002 is when this was marketed. Hannah Montana as an OS. For all the Hannah Montana lovers out there, we got this. I wonder if there was like a Hannah Montana computer that shipped with this OX. It has been created to attract young users to Linux. Hey, that's cool. I wish they would pick something better than KDM. Cyborg Hawk. Picture of the world. I'm sorry, some people just doesn't take pride in their desktop. I'm sorry I would not have Russia on my desktop. Latest kernel, cybersecurity can be used by everyone. 750 pen testing, exploiting toolkits, stress testing, reverse engineering, forensic mode, mobile security. So this is something right up my body. Oh, full virtual machine support. Comes with its own repository, reliable various wireless devices, well sorted menu, everything is just in the right place, patch girl. So I wonder, patch girl from injection, that's good. Cyborg Hawk default live system user cyborg, password store. Let's do it. Let's download it. Boom, done. Probably gonna take another 5 hours for that, but anyways, everyday Linux driver out, and just thought I'd show you guys what kind of Linux distros I'm up testing right now. Have a good night.